Going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. So the next stock that we're breaking down this morning is Naked, or ticker symbol NAKD. We just did ZOM, so if you want to check that out, go ahead and click that. These two are very similar. It's pretty scary. They're almost both in a parabolic move on the daily time frame. So yeah, we are starting on the daily time frame. This allows us to see the overall direction and picture that our stock is in. It helps us find our support and resistance lines, our entries, and all that good stuff. So this is why we never start from a smaller time frame. We start from a higher time frame. And basically what this is called is multiple time frame analysis. And this further predicts and helps us find our technical analysis and etc. So let's go ahead and dive in. So this bottom line represents our major support line, and up here represents our major resistance line. This can easily be tested. We can see once we were above this resistance, it'll work as a floor, that we were bouncing off of this level on the opposite side. And underneath, we can see all these candlesticks that had came up and got rejected in this area, ultimately about like 3 or 4 times, until we got pushed all the way down to our major support line, where we can see these candlesticks reacting on this level over here, and then on the opposite side, which was prior resistance, we can see that it came up rejected here. So these levels have been tested multiple times. If you don't have enough information to further test the stock that you're looking at, you can always go further back in time to back test and find these areas. So not all the time will you have it all in front of you. You want to test each of the higher and lower area at least 3 times before considering it any type of resistance or support. So in my previous video that I made about a week ago or so, I was saying how we were trading under this major support line. Now it'll be working as resistance, and that what we wanted to see was this to break above this support line, to come up and come back down and retest this as a support level, and that would further confirm that we're breaking this trend, and that our support is strong and that buyers are stepping up. And this is also further confirmation, like I was saying, that buyers are here and trying to create this upward trend. So we are we're above this trend line, so that is a good sign. On the RSI, it does look like we are a little bit overextended, but I mean that just comes because we gapped up and this engulfing candlestick that we have here. So like I was saying before, we wanted this to pull back at least to our support level, so that we know that this level has been tested and that buyers are truly stepping up and that we're really trying to create this upward trend. So as of right now, us being pre-market almost 2% on the morning, personally what I would do is wait for us to pull back at least 50% retracement, which is a healthy retracement, so that we know that we're creating this upward trend. We're creating these higher lows. The volume that we have right now is almost 2 million, so the volume looks good, you guys. So almost everything that I have in my checklist box has been checked off. The only thing that I'm saying to make sure to do is wait for a better entry. We are overextended. Remember, we are on the daily time frame. If I were to break down to the 1 hour, we can see that we gapped up originally over here. We had this tight consolidation, and then continue this upward trend, and then we have this other little tight word consolidation. So that doesn't mean that this can't continue its upward trend, but on the safe side, like I said, if you want to have the safer entry, I would wait till we at least can pull back halfway, maybe at the 66 or back here at the 57 on the 1 hour, just so we can further confirm this level. But if you are going to be that aggressive trader, if you're going to be that day trader or scalp trader, your entry, you're going to have to break down to a smaller time frame to find these entries. But it's going to be a little bit lower, like I said, maybe at the 66 cents. And this is if you're an aggressive trader. I personally would not take this trade because it's too aggressive. And like I said, we have been pumping. It's been extended. Yes, we are heading in this upward trend, but is it the best time to get in as of right now as an entry? No, not just yet. We have this prior resistance over here. I can zoom out and then we can further test that if needed. But like I said, personally, I'm trying to explain to you, is we should probably wait for this to pull back at least a 50% retracement, if not all the way back down to the support line. Either way, wherever you're going to get in above this area, please make sure that your stop loss is below this support line. So if we do break back below the support line, we know to get out because things are about to get sour, or we can look for a better entry. So that's why I'm explaining to you as of right now. Either way, wherever you want to get in this area is okay, because everything on my checklist is checked off. But as remember, just have your stop loss set, or have a mental stop loss, knowing that when you're going to get out at least below this major support line, you guys. And like I said, just wait for the better entry. But I hope this video helped you guys. I like to make these fast and efficiently. If it did, please hit this like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content every single day for you guys. If there's any stocks that you're interested in, please put it in the comment box below, and I'll try my best to get to it on the following morning. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.